All right, so in today's lesson, I was just going to have you continue nothing crazy. It's just only one day's worth of work. Should take you about 30 minutes. You're going to do page 52 to 53 of your packet. You're going to do the evens this time, so 20 to 2 to 30 even. But I figured in case you're still confused, spend about 5 to 10 minutes, whatever this video is going to be with me, and kind of just look at some more examples done out for you in case you're confused. So these are examples from your book, 9.8 Factoring Completely, page 610. If you want a challenge, you could actually pause the video, do the problem, and then unpause it and watch the solution. Or you could just watch this kind of good for some review here. So here goes. So this first one here, number 29, when I factor this completely, I can definitely factor out 8 in common and s to the second. So then I'm left with 4s squared minus 1. So that is a difference of two squares factoring special case. So I write 8s squared, and I can, because that's subtraction, I make that a plus minus, and then square root of 4 is 2s, and then this is 1, and then this is 2s minus 1. So for 29, that's the factored completely version. Number 34 here, you can see it's a trinomial. I can factor out, looks like a 3 and then an r squared. So, no, more than that, r to the third. So I'm left here with r squared plus 3, just r, sorry. Right? Yeah. Right? Hold on, let me check that. Yeah, and then minus what times 3 is 90. That would be 30, like that. And you got a trinomial here that can be factored more, 3r cubed. And then the trinomial looks like r, 6 and 5 would work. And we want it to be a positive, so we'll make a positive 6 here and a minus 5 there. And that works. Yeah, so there's your answer for that one. Pick 36 here as well. If you look here, this is factor by grouping. So I'll take this out and take this group, factor out an h squared. And I'm left with h plus 4. And then here I can factor out negative 25, h plus 4. So then I can write this as h squared minus 25, h plus 4. But I like this one because you can do the perfect square, difference of squares trinomial. So this would be h minus 5, h plus 5, and then h plus 4. So it's 3 binomials for your answer there. Number 40. Let's see what happens with this one. So this one was just kind of like a lot, but I thought it was kind of interesting to do. So it's trinomial. I can definitely take out a negative 4. For the s's, I can take out, has at least one s in common. For the t's, is it just one t? Yeah, it's one t in common. So here I would be left with, yeah, this is going to be s squared and t squared plus, no, not plus, minus 4 times 6 is 24, so this would be 6 st, and then plus 4 times what is 36? It's 9, right? 9, and then that's it. And then if you look, this is actually a perfect square trinomial, so I could rewrite this as negative s negative 4st, and then here, here, here. Square root of this is just st. Sorry, no, that's not the ones that do that. I always, special cases, I always get them confused. And then it's a minus plus, so I just write this as a minus 3, and then squared like that. Let me just double check I get that right. Yeah, I did. Cool. So these are the ones that you factor and solve, and then we'll be done with today's video. So I factor out of z. I'm left with z squared minus 81 equals 0. So then this becomes z plus 9, z minus 9 equals 0. When you set all three of them equal to 0, you're left with your solutions would be, if this is equal to 0, so z is equal to 0. When this is equal to 0, you get a solution of negative 9. When that's equal to 0, you get a solution of positive 9. So 1, 2, 3 answers there. And then the last one here, kind of similar to the wall of fame. So I'm going to just put this equal to minus 4m plus 12 on both sides, minus 4m plus 12 here, kind of doing it in one step. So I'm left with this side's my 0. And over here, let's see, looks like it's going to go factoring by grouping, because the m to the third minus 3m squared minus 4m plus 12. Yikes, that was weird now. Equals 0. So, whoops, sorry if you didn't see that, my bad. So then, factor by grouping here, I'm left with m, take out an m squared here, m minus 3, take out a negative 4, m minus 3. Then factor out here, I'm left with m squared minus 4 and m minus 3. But that can be factored more to m minus 2, m plus 2, m minus 3. Come a long way since September. This is a crazy problem. So you're left with m equals 2, negative 2, and 3 when you set all those equal to 0. That's your answer to number 54. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. So yeah, let me just turn this around here and say hello. Okay, so yeah, so today do your best to do the classwork, check out this video, and then I might include you guys, the other 8th grade math. This weekend I'm going to make something real world about volume. I have a dirt hole. Oh, not a hole. It's not full of dirt. I have a hole in my backyard, and we're working on volume. And maybe I'll give you the same challenge, and you'll see. I'll send out a video next week about the hole in my backyard, and I need help filling it with dirt. So yeah, you guys have a good Thursday, and I will post shortly the Google Hangout times for tomorrow. You guys will be going last because you guys have been going first, so you'll go last. Yeah, and have a good day. Bye.